Oh my God. I've had a lot of birthdays, well, not a lot of birthdays, but this is the best birthday ever. What are you looking at?
Oh, I was just thinking about the first time I laid eye on you. How pretty you looked.
Stop it.
Your hair was shorter then.
I'm thinking about getting it cut.
No, I like it this length. I like everything about you.
Oh.
Just the other day, someone asked me who I thought the most beautiful monster was in all of Monstropolis. You know what I said?
What did you say?
I said, Sully?
Sully?
No, that's not what I was gonna say. I mean,
Mike, you're not making sense.
Guys, what a coincidence running into you. I'm just gonna order something to go.
Michael.
Sully? What's good here?
Get out of here, you're ruining everything.
I went back to get your paperwork, and there was a door.
What?
Well, we ain't.
A door? Randall was in it.
Wait a minute, Randall? That cheater, he's trying to boost his numbers.
There's something else.
What?
Lay in the ag bay.
What?
Look in the bag.
Bag?
That ain't right.
Celia, please try to understand. I have to...
Michael?
On three. One, two.
Are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
Well, a kid flew right over me and blasted a car with its laser vision.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
It is my professional opinion that now is the time to panic.